Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on intimation for pre-examination training PET recruitment of probationary officers in State Bank of India. Recently we are getting emails from this State Bank of India, right, about the recruitment of probationary officers, pre-examination training for SC, ST, OBC and backward candidates, right. Before going into the video, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you, right. How to download pre-examination training material. Okay, let us going into the video. This is the email you are going to receive if you apply for this role. This is in reference to your option for receiving pre-examination training in your application for the recruitment of probationary officers in State Bank of India. In this connection, bank has made arrangements to provide PET through online mode with the following facilities: a presentation explaining the recruitment exercise and techniques for attempting the online examination for recruitment of probationary officers, practice materials for the online examination for recruitment of probationary officers, interactive sessions for doubt clearing will be held. Okay, the above training material shall be available on the bank's website. These are the links for the bank's websites. Okay, and it will be open from 20 onwards, 27/2025, and can be accessed by you through your login credentials. Your candidate registration number and your password is your date of birth. Further, an online interactive doubt clearing session shall also be made available to those candidates who will register for the same. You may therefore register for the doubt clearing session through the link available on the bank's website. This link shall be active from 20 to 23 7/2025. Okay, Assistant General Manager, State Bank of India. Right, let us see how to download the pre-examination materials. And if you click on the above links they have provided, or if you directly go to their website, you will find the home page in this way. In this home page, you have to just go through the Join SBI, right. If you click on Join SBI, you can see current openings, right. If you click on current openings, then you are going to get a web page like this. Then what is your goal right now? To download pre-examination training material for recruitment of probationary officers, right. So you have to go to pre-examination training materials. Okay, now if you see the tentative dates for preliminary exam online are 2, 4, 5. Okay, they have given the dates as well. Okay, now if you click on pre-examination training materials, then you are going to see a web page like this. See, I hope you can see the web page like this. Then you have to give your registration number, your date of birth as your password, and the same text for the verification, right. I hope you got it. If you go to the SBI website, their website, then you are going to see a home page like this. Then Join SBI. You have to click Join SBI, current openings. Then you can see like this. You need to download the pre-examination training materials. Then you have to go to the pre-examination training materials link. Then you are going to see this website. Then you have to give your registration number, date of birth and the text verification. Then you are going to get the important guidelines and success. Your request has been updated successfully, and you can receive the study materials. By clicking part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, you are going to get the study materials of different topics. Then you can download and access them quickly. Right, they have given important guidelines. Candidates are requested to download pre-examination training material provided below and diligently carry out the practice every day. Fresh material shall be provided by activating the day-wise link on the respective dates. The facility for downloading the study material shall be available from 20th to 24th July 2025, including holidays. One day interactive session for doubt clearing shall be scheduled from 25th July 2025 onwards. A separate communication shall be sent to the candidate communicating the date, time and his or her doubt clearing session. Please note that doubt clearing sessions shall be made available on these candidate who register for the same. You are therefore requested to register for the doubt clearing session by clicking the box and pressing the submit button given below, which shall be active from 20th to 23rd July 2025, including holidays. Right? I hope you got clear idea on it. In this video, we have seen how to download the pre-examination training materials, and we have known about the tentative dates for preliminary examination. Those are 2, 4 and 5. Right? I hope you got clear idea about it. If you feel this video as informative, please subscribe Mindbender and support my channel and like my videos and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for supporting.